To save additional time, if a part exists in DeMI, you can also upload a CSV file containing a list of those parts to DeMI. All you need is the smart part number and/or LXI number and the quantity organized into 2 separate columns in the CSV file you want to upload. Once uploaded, your parts will appear in the shopping cart. If there are any parts that do not exist, a message will appear at the bottom of the cart showing you which part or parts. Any parts that do not exist will need to be configured to be added to your order. You can now add more items or process your order or quote as you normally would through DeMI. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.